Have you ever go for a picnic at some waterfall in Malaysia and see diapers, trash laying around? Or you went for a jog at some residential park and see that the lake water is muddy, smelly, and looked awfully still? Have you ever seen trash being clogged at a sidewalk drain? Or perhaps go to the beach and see that there are more plastics than sand? Well, all this contributed to water pollution, and sadly, these are the realities in Malaysia. Despite being one of the most visited countries in Southeast Asia, about half of the rivers in Malaysia are unsafe to drink. According to Malaysia Environmental Quality Report, out of 477 monitored rivers in Malaysia, 43% is categorized as slightly polluted and 10% is categorized as polluted. Rivers that flow through major cities like Kuala Lumpur, Johor Bahru, Georgetown carries waste with it. In 2020 alone, it is said that the majority of water disruptions are due to water pollution. The big question is, who is to blame? Is it the government or is it the corporates? For the most part, it is us and our lack of awareness of river conservation. 80% of the river pollution comes from domestic waste. The public does not care or understand the importance of having clean rivers and treat them as dumping ground for rubbish. How many times have you seen strangers or your neighbors throw trash into streams, not bothering about where it will end up? Insufficient waste disposal in rural areas cause people to dump their household waste into rivers as opposed to leaving it outside their homes, which can attract stray animals. Residential areas and restaurants are also culprits due to improper discharge or untreated water into drains. Another major sources of pollution includes effluents released from factories and agricultural activities. Many industrial facilities use fresh water to carry away waste from the plant and into the rivers. These toxic waste lies suspended in the water or gets deposited in the waterbed. Inadequate sewage treatment may also contribute to river pollution as we rely on those factories to hygienically treat it into something that can be broken down in the environment. Rapid development and uncontrolled land use expansion has caused soil erosion. Rivers in states like Kelantan, Pahang, and Kedah are affected by the deforestation and opening of new logging areas. This has caused rivers to be muddy. Now, what can we do to save our rivers? First and foremost is of course through education. Education with the emphasis on the importance of clean environment should start from primary school as well as home in order to bring about a change in lifestyle. Number 2, organize My Drains Day to keep our drains free from rubbish. In an interview conducted by GEC, less than 30% people in KL knew that drain in front of their houses led to rivers. Our drains are meant to channel only rainwater to rivers. Activities such as drain cleanups can be organized to educate our community on the importance of having clean drains as well as instill care for them. Number 3, adopt zero waste lifestyle that consists of reduce, reuse, and recycle can limit our trash output and save tons of solid waste from ending up in landfills and rivers. This includes upcycle used cooking oil and grease trapped into soaps, candles, or even biodiesel instead of throwing them away into drains. This will directly impact and enhance our river aquatic biodiversity. Next you can do is support river-related activities in the community by volunteering or donating. Some of the NGOs that is pursuing river conservation activities are Global Environment Center, River of Life Initiatives, and Water Project. Lastly, you can be your river's guardian. Get to know your nearby river and monitor, alert, and report problems or illegal activities happening around your river. Report illegal dumpings can be made to Public Complaints Bureau or 15888 my SMS. River pollution will have significant consequences on the national agenda to become a fully developed nation unless important measures are taken to enhance our river quality. Remember, every small step matters towards cleaner and sustainable future.